eventually, up and go that gonna goes. At the bird up on the crossbar, I kills the puppy hose. She rushing into my million fans who harmonize with me. Clap their hands, clap, clap back, clap, clap back, clap. After the showers, they're gonna put me up on the grandstand. And Jimmy Hill asked me how I did. I say I did just great. He'll say I was a man of the match. He'll say I played just fine. You played just fine. He'll ask me, can you do it again? I'm gonna do it all the time. Oh well. Should say kind of ball. In defense, he's solid like a brick. Whoa, he's a man with a golden boots. He's a hero when he shoots. He's the one that's gonna light right up. He's the one who win the cup. Watch him.